Morning. Just caught the first cod of the day. He's a big cod. I tell you, that is a fish. Have a look at the size of this thing. Look, this is a big fish. He's as fat as... Oh, I can't pick him up. Look at that. I'll turn him over the other way, get my foot out of the road. Oh, I'm just playing with this fella. I'm going to let him go. But he's a big fish. We couldn't eat all that. Have a look at that. This fella, I reckon I put him back 12 months ago. He's a big fish. I'm going to put him back. I'm going to just go try and get him over the side of my leg. Yeah, look at that. Look at the size of this fella. Oh, there you go, mate. Get some water in him. I'm going to smash into things here in a minute. Oh, I hope this bloke lives. He was a bloody fight. I've only got light stuff. I've only got these little light rods. But you take your time. He tried to sneak home I don't know how many times before I got him to the boat. Oh, it's not a boat, it's a kayak, Paul. But anyway, we got there. He's a big fish. Come on, mate. Don't sulk. Come on. Oh, I couldn't possibly kill him. He's right, his little fins are moving. He'll take off, he'll go home. He knows where home is, don't worry about that. He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it, Paul. He's like, look at his tail. Yeah, I can see his tail wobbling around. Isn't that a bloody big fish? Eh? He's thinking about it. Oh, I've bloody had some fun with him. For the last couple of days, he's been taking my bait, my yabby, and running back to his log. And get him, and spitting the bloody hook out. This morning, I put a little yabby with a bigger hook. And caught him right in the side of the lip here. Look at that. That's where I got him, right in that lip. Wasn't holding on by much, but it was enough. Oh, isn't that a nice fish? Look at that. Look at the colours on him. Look at him. Come on. Come on, big fella. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, mate. You can see his little fins working there. He thinks I've got hold of him, but I haven't really. Yeah, I can see he's working. I let him go. I reckon he'll take off. I want to make sure he goes, but... Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm going to crash into stuff here in a minute. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. I'll only get up amongst these sticks. Come on, mate. Look at the mouth, will you? There's no worries about giving them a bloody... any size bloody yabby. There's a bloody beautiful fish. Come on, mate. Come on. Do your magic. Say ta-da, Paul, and away you go. You can go. You can go, mate, if you want. He thinks I still got hold of him. I can see his little fins, buddy. He's moving. You've got to give a fucking big whack of that tail you got there, mate. You give a big whack of that tail and you're gone. Oh, look. There he goes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. You've got another one on the bloody books ball. Yeah. What a fish. Ah. That's what I'm living for. That's why I come up this beautiful river. Bengala Reserve. In my kayak. Yeah! Hey! Look at that. Sun's coming up. Sun's coming up and you can't be happier than that. Oh well. Back to fishing. That's all for now. Wednesday, sometime in December, early December. I think coming up the full moon on the 8th. So that's tomorrow. All right.